Right, if I'm not mistaken, put the key in to the on position, I believe. Just like that. See how your lights come on. Everything go. Now, okay, appreciate it. Now, I believe you put your foot on the brake and on the gas pedal first. Hold it. Then you put your foot on the brake pedal next. Just hold it there. There you go. Wait for it. It's taking a little while. Just like that, it's all set. You can start your car up. There you go.